गंगा मैया की जय.
6 years ago, I received sannyas diksha.
So like, are you going to dip into the holy river Ganga?
Yeah.
You will be doing this?
Yeah. 2 times.
2 times you have already done this.
I missed it in 2019, the Mela, and I've been upset with myself for 6 years, so I planned this one ahead.
You are from?
Italy.
I'm from New York City.
Which city from Spain?
Monforte de Lemos, Galicia.
Oh nice. ये तो मेरे ऊपर से निकल गया. एक सेकंड. ये वीडियो में आगे जाने से पहले डू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल महाकुंभ 2025 क्योंकि महाकुंभ से रिलेटेड सारी डिटेल्स यहीं मिलने वाली हैं. सो अभी के अभी डू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन. महाकुंभ calling. What is your name?
Marco.
Marco. And yours?
Silvia.
So you are from?
Italy.
All the way from Italy?
Yeah.
Great. So Mahakumbh के लिए we have the international people. So what do you do? What do you do in Italy?
We water treatment plant.
Okay. And so like, what do you know about this like mega event which is happening here in Prayagraj?
Actually, we study for know what means Maha Kumbh Mela. Yeah. And we know that this time is very important, more than ever.
So like you follow such religious like events of India as well, like Hinduism?
No, we don't follow, but we study about, and we like a lot of passion for your spirit, for your soul, for your cultures.
And how was the feel like? How was the vibe for you people?
Except the weather was great.
Nice. So like you guys going to dip into the holy Ganga and the Sangam?
Yeah. We already touched the water before. Yeah, but tomorrow we are for sure we are.
You are going for the like snan?
Yeah, just the end.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Mahakumbh calling. Mahakumbh.
Hi, my name's Todd Coleman. I'm from New York City.
Okay. And how's you liking it? This is your first trip to India?
It's my 8th trip to India.
8th trip. And first time in Mahakumbh, visiting Mahakumbh?
Yes. I missed it in 2019, the Mela, and I've been upset with myself for 6 years, so I planned this one ahead, and I arrived yesterday.
So are you going to take a holy dip in River Ganga?
Everyone is asking me that question, and I think I should. I need to cleanse my aura.
Yeah. Okay. So why did you choose to come for Mahakumbh? Like,
Well, my first.
What attracted you?
So my first trip to India was in 2004.
Okay.
So over the time, I've learned every trip. I learn and meet lots of people and friends, and so I've seen a lot of pictures. A lot of my friends have told me about it.
Yeah.
But my friend who's Bengali opera team, he was trying to get me to come in 2019. So. He told me all about it, the history, and I've been thinking about it, researching.
Okay.
So I just had to come, no matter what this time. Yeah.
And when is your next trip? Where? Which religious event you're going to cover?
I'm covering a Tibetan religious ceremony in China.
Okay.
In February.
Okay. So I think you're going to promise to our viewers that you're going to take a holy dip in River Ganga, right?
Yeah,
Right?
it.
Promise. Yeah. We'll do it. Yeah. Thank you.
Do it together. Yeah.
Yeah. Had a great time.
Mahakumbh calling. Mahakumbh.
Om Namo Nare. My name is Sagar Puriji. My Guruji name Shri Mahant Secretary Shri Dayanand Puriji Maharaj. And we now in Guruji camp. Shri Mahant Machandra Puriji Maharaj, like his Murti here, he is owner of our parampara. And this is on the Kumbh, this camp Solamari Junakhara.
Is this your first Mahakumbh?
Mahakumbh first, yes.
And have you been to other Kumbh Melas as well?
6 years ago, I received sannyas diksha. So Mahapurush Samskar and Bijavan Samskar here, directly here 6 years ago on the previous Kumbh.
We have our guest from all the way from Spain, right?
Yes, I am
Which city?
Spanish.
Which city from Spain?
Monforte de Lemos, Galicia.
Oh nice. ये तो मेरे ऊपर से निकल गया. So what is your name?
Manuel.
So like how long you are here in Prayagraj?
I think so 7 days.
7 days, and how well you explored Prayagraj?
Yeah, it's,
What did you see and what amazed you?
in the beginning I looking for sadhus, but the past of the days I think it's better looking for more things, different, because the festival is very big. It's fantastic. It's amazing.
So, like, are you going to dip into the holy river Ganga? Are you going to do that?
Yeah.
You will be doing this?
Yeah. 2 times.
2 times you have already done this.
What do you know about the Maha Kumbh? What importance do you think? You feel?
So the main importance is when the devotees and the asuras was churning the ocean,
Yeah.
this Amrit came out of it.
Yeah.
And so there's different points that the Amrit dropped, and one of the points is here in this specific time.
Yeah.
So if you take snan in this time, it is very auspicious. Not only that, just the power of all the sadhus here combined in one spot. It is unimaginable how amazing it is to be.
Is this your first time? Is this your first time to Prayagraj?
To Prayagraj Maha Kumbh first time. I went to Haridwar Kumbh last.
Okay.
Maha Kumbh calling.
Har har Gange! Bolo Ganga Maiya ki jai! Jai Jai Sri Rajesha!
Maha Kumbh calling. Maha Kumbh calling.